Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and avoid any damage to the components inside. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the upgrade process. Next, remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. After successfully removing the back panel, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the RAM slots, which are typically situated near the center of the motherboard. You should see 1 or 2 RAM modules already installed. If you are upgrading, you will need to remove the existing RAM module by gently pushing the clips on either side of the RAM stick. This will release it from the slot, allowing you to lift it out. Now take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Ensure that the notch on the RAM stick matches the key in the slot. Insert the RAM at a slight angle, then press down firmly until the clips click into place, securing the module. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal performance and cooling for your laptop. Once you've completed the upgrade and cleaning, carefully replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the panel. Now, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL. To check if the RAM upgrade was successful, right-click on the Start menu and select System. Here, you should see the new amount of RAM displayed. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Additionally, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. With our professional diagnosis without obligation, you can make an informed decision about your laptop's needs. In conclusion, upgrading the RAM in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your laptop's performance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can complete this upgrade yourself. If you encounter any issues or prefer professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.